I'm Meg McGuigan, and I am the set designer for The Exonerated. And it is 6 stories of real people about their time on death row and post-exoneration after being proven innocent. We just started discussing what makes this environment the appropriate place to tell this story. I started with researching the architecture of prisons, but pretty quickly we were very much under the thing of this isn't a prison, the set is not about being in prison. Instead of trying to transform the space into a stage, basically just give a capsule for them to kind of play in and explore so that they can tell this story in a way that best suits the process that we've created. So how you're actually looking at it is all of the exonerees live in this kind of sunken pit in the center, where they're kind of trapped together in this small little container. There's not a lot of space for them to go, but it's just enough space for them to kind of stand up and tell their tale.
And I think by putting us in a pit, in a square, where we don't even get to see each other, really allows for all I have is me.
There is something about that pit that physicalizes do I feel safe if I leave the pit? Even if you're given, the door is open, you're given the option to get out, you don't really know what to trust anymore.
But all this audience sees is me and my internal struggle in my square. And so there's this curiosity behind, am I supposed to see this guy feel this way right now? This is really, really real for me.
When we've taken out all the exotic chairs and all the exotic staging, and we're really bringing in this place of home. We're having the audience really sit there with us as if they're on the stage with us.
The booth itself lends itself really well to this play with its deck levels and bridges. It becomes kind of its own playground, so the actors can tell the stories of memory and flashbacks and things like that with a little bit more dynamicism. Using these design choices of the fluorescent lights and the folding chairs and this harsh concrete textures, hopefully we created this really community space where people are willing to come and listen to these real stories.